Do you want to switch up your look on Snapchat? In this video, I will show you how to easily change the gender of your Bitmoji. Whether you're looking to express yourself differently or have the wrong gender for your Bitmoji avatar, this tutorial will guide you through the steps of changing your Bitmoji's gender in a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Snapchat app. And then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the Bitmoji option. So now if you select Edit My Bitmoji, you'll be able to change the appearance of your avatar. You can change the hairstyle, skin tone, eye shape, etc., but you cannot change your gender. So in order to change the gender of your Bitmoji, tap on Remove My Bitmoji. And then you will see a pop-up. Just tap on the Remove button, which will remove the Bitmoji avatar associated with your account. So now what you want to do next is tap on Create My Avatar. And simply select whichever gender you want. So, for example, I can select male and start customizing my avatar. As of right now, this is the only way that you can change the gender of your Bitmoji. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.